box. Ooh, that's a nice box. You think there's coal in it?
No.
I think there is.
See who's correct.
We'll check and see. I think there's coal.
It's not.
Rip it open.
A wee game. And this is a new one, right, Dad?
A brand new Super Mario.
Nice.
Oh, that's it, man. So
That is it. Okay, Jamie, you open yours, baby. You want to switch?
the coolest game in the world.
Keep going, baby pie. You're doing good.
Let's play it.
This one's from Brittany. Cousin Brittany. Ooh, Nike.
Open it. Open it. What is it? Say thank you, Brittany.
Let's play it. I want to play it. I want to play it.
Is that so cool, Jamie? Hug the teddy bear. Get a teddy bear hug.
I'll hug it.
Say mwah. You're so pretty. Chance gonna go play his Wii game.
She's
Bye bye.